Hi, I'm Hanna with First Business Bank. Today we're talking about check fraud. And the best way to guard your account against check fraud is using a product called Positive Pay. When a bad guy wants to commit fraud on your account using checks, there's usually three ways that they might do that. One would be to just make up a fake check and then put your account number and routing information on the bottom of that check. And that way when they cash it or issue it, when the check clears, because of the MICR line on the bottom, it'll actually clear your account. Another way would be to steal a check and either change the payee name or steal your check or take a check actually that's a legitimate check and add a zero or change the amount to a higher amount. So those are the three most common ways. The best way to protect yourself, as I said, is with Positive Pay. And the way that works is every time your company does a check run, you would take the information in that check run, such as the amount, the check number, and the payee, and your accounting software can put all that information into a file. And then you upload that file to the bank. And so now you've just told us these and only these are the legitimate checks that we've issued. And when checks clear the bank, we compare them, the checks that are clearing, to the file that you sent us, and anything that's a mismatch gets flagged. Then you get a notice that says, hey, there's some exceptions out there, you better take a look at them, and then you can review them, and if there is something that you haven't issued, you can go online and return those checks right then and there. They never come out of your account. Now, we've had a recent example of this where somebody got a hold of one of our clients' account numbers and routing number, which, as a reminder, is on the bottom of every check that you send out. So pretty easy to get that information. But somebody had taken our client's information and made dozens and dozens of checks. And our client, for a number of days, was getting 5 to 10 hits per day through their Positive Pay that they were able to catch and see these items and then have us return them before they ever cleared their account. So great product, and if you're interested, just call your First Business Bank representative today and ask how to get set up.